Hi, I'm Chef Amy Hoagie, and I'm here to teach you how to play with food, where I take a classic recipe, change it up a little bit to create a whole new dish. Today I'm playing with pea salads. I've actually got some nice sweet pea here. We're going to be making a low-calorie sweet pea salad with peanuts. So I've got about 3/4 of a cup of sweet peas. They can be frozen, thaw them out a little bit if you'd like. And then I'm going to add, a good sprinkling of peanuts. Let me pull that out of there. I like peanuts. They just add some crunch and some saltiness to it. Then I'm going to throw in some lettuce because there's really no calories in lettuce. And celery, which is actually negative calories. That's what I've heard. Then we've got some onion, some red onion. Then I'll put some salt in here. And then a little bit of pepper, freshly ground pepper. And then instead of any mayonnaise, I'm just going to go ahead and add some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. So I'm just going to toss that up. That's just going to be a light glue to hold it all together. I like all those fun colors in there. Nice. And that's pretty simple. You can add, instead of the peanuts, maybe if you want to add sunflower seeds, you can do that. Just, again, it's going to add that crunch, that saltiness that sometimes you want something and you're really hungry. We're going for low cal here, so that'd be good. Thanks for joining me. I'm Chef Amy Hoagie. For more information, you can visit me on my website at chefamy with 2 e's.com.